Welcome to all my students. And last our class chapter was cable and its type. Last our class is cable and its type. Okay, so I think you all of you watch in your our my video and you can know about this one. Okay, last our chapter is cable and its type. This chapter we are discuss about cable and its types. Cable and its types. Using purpose of cable and cable sizes. How many size of cable we can discussing about this one, and where using in power cable, where using in control cable, and where using in instrumentation cable. So we are discussing and talking about this one. Okay, and I hope all of you are watching this video and clear about it. I hope all of you are watching this video and clear about it. If you have no clear, you can give the comments of me, and I will give to more clear for all of you. Okay. So now in this class, just now class in this class, our another electrical chapter is gland and its types. So now class, this is the today class. This class our chapter is gland and its types. Okay, so today our chapter is glands and its type. Okay, so gland, what is the gland? First you know about the gland. What is gland? Why we use to gland? We know about this one. So in gland is a one object made by PVC and metal. Gland is one types of object. This is made by PVC or metal. Okay, this is made by PVC or metal, which is used to catch the cable strong and not give to move the cable. So in these objects in gland, catch the cable is strong and not move and not give to move. Okay, so not give to move the cable. Okay, and not give to move the cable. So easy to fix the cable inside the equipment or panels for termination. This means this is if you make the gland in like that, and that means easy to put the inside the panels equipment, and after you can do the termination. Okay, so gland is most important of before termination in big cable. First you need to gland, and before gland you can check the cable. This is a good which kind of cable you can check and do this one. So gland is the one object. So this is the important object of this one. So this gland. If you make the gland make the support of the cable and not moving the cable. Okay, this is the gland. And types of gland. How many types of gland? Especially gland is three types: PVC gland or PG gland, also tell the PG gland, and single compressor gland and double compressor gland. So we have the three types of gland: PVC gland, single compressor gland, double compressor gland. So single compressor gland inside also have two parts, two. So single compressor gland also inside have the two parts: armor type gland and non-armor type gland. Before we are talking same like that. Cable is two types: armor types and non-armor types. If non-armor types cable is coming, you can using in non-armor gland. If armor types cable is coming, you can using in armor gland. Okay, so this is two types: single compressor gland also two types, armor gland and non-armor gland. If your cable is armor, you can using in armor type gland. Non-armor cable you can using in non-armor. You can check the cable and put the gland. Okay, and double compressor also same like that, two types: armor types and non-armor types. This is also same two types: armor and non-armor. So you can using in armor for armor type gland, and non-armor cables for non-armor type gland. And gland color code is coming especially to golden color or brass color or aluminum color or metal type color. Okay, so this is coming in two type color, brass color and steel color. Brass color also tell the golden type color. Okay, so steel type also called the aluminum type color. So two types of color gland is coming in available in our market. Okay, so next one. So first we can talking about the single compressor. What is the single compressor? Single compressor is the one kind of gland. This is using for single compressor gland is using for the indoor purpose. So we can using the indoor purpose of this one. Okay, single compressor gland is especially using in indoor purpose and little bit low volt cable we can using in single compressor gland. And double compressor gland we can using in indoor purpose. Double compressor we can using in outdoor purpose. This is also weather proof also. So this is the strong two areas to tight, and this is very strong, and this kind of gland is using for the heavy cable. Okay, so this kind of gland is using for heavy cable. Okay, and PVC type gland is using in some earthing and some like that. This PVC wire, small wire we can using in PVC type gland. Okay, so using purpose of gland, just now using purpose of PVC gland is using for flexible wire, which wire have the no any armor, and this is also flexible type we can using in PVC type gland. Single compressor gland used for indoor works or panel inside the building where have the no problem for water and heat. There is no problem of water and heat. This types of work we can using in single compressor gland, and indoor only for indoor. Okay, and this types of gland is for light power cable, only for light power, low voltage cable, not in high voltage and not in big cable. Okay, so we can using in this type of cable gland. Double compressor gland used for outdoor purpose, outside where is the problem of water and this any other heat. So that time we can using in outdoor purpose in double compressor gland. Okay, and it is also weatherproof. It is weatherproof also. Double compressor is weatherproof also. This type of gland used for heavy power cable. So this types of gland is using for the heavy power cable. Okay. Next one, single compressor gland parts and double compressor glands part. So single compressor and double compressor, two types have the gland, but this inside have the parts, some parts of gland which is catch the cable and strong. So single compressor have inside 8 items. This is check nut, IP washer, and cable entry body, metal washer, out sealing ring, and metal washer also, and compressor knot, earth tag, and shroud. These all are all parts of the gland. If you mix these all parts of the gland, after perfect gland, one gland is ready. So this one gland inside have this all items in single compressor. Okay, this is single compressor only. And double compressor also have the same but little bit more parts inside this one. Same like that. First one check nut, next entry cell ring, Okay, next one is cable entry body, inner ceiling, and next one armor cone, armor ring, main gland body or outshell ring, compressor knot, earth tag and shroud. Okay, earth tag and shroud. So there have the 10 parts is coming in there, and another have the only 8 parts is coming. So double compressor and single compressor have little bit know the little bit the difference in each other. The single compressor have only 8 parts, but double compressor have the 10 parts. Okay, so this is this one. So single compressor, you can check there how many items is there. You see there is this is your diagram, you can see there this is the single compressor gland parts. There have the single compressor gland parts. Check this one, gland body, metal washer. Metal washer is 2 coming in single compressor, and after these 2 metal washer to catch the cables, and all are this single compressor gland. And double compressor gland parts is this is okay, this is the double compressor gland parts. Okay, this is the double compressor gland parts, and this is PVC gland parts. PVC gland, this is the PVC gland. PVC gland is coming in 2 color code, gray and black. So this is coming in 2, and this inside have the knot, saline gland and gland body or o-ring. This PVC gland inside have these parts and make the gland. So PVC gland we can using in flexible wire only. We can using in flexible wire only. So earth tag and shroud. In India, maximum gland not using in earth tag and shroud, but Gulf is compulsory need to use shroud and earth tag, because earth tag is protect the earthing protect the earthing and save the equipment. Okay, and shroud we can using shroud. If you put the shroud PVC, this is made by PVC. If you put the shroud is there, dust is not going the inside the your gland, and gland not coming in jump. Okay, so this shroud is save the gland. So in gland, complete gland, you have the this gland shroud also need. So okay, so Gulf maximum using in shroud. Without shroud there is not allowed to do the gland inside, indoor or outdoor, anywhere. If you work in indoor purpose, you can using in shroud. If outdoor, we can using in shroud, but in India no using in shroud. So many maximum not using in shroud. Okay, and PVC glands parts. PVC glands parts already I am tooling. PVC knot and saline ring and gland body, IP washer and check knot. There have the 4 types of this. Armor gland also have the same part of armor gland, except armor cone and armor ring. So non-armor gland also have all items is there, but there have only 2 not there. This is armor cone and armor ring. Armor cone and armor ring is only catch for armor. So armor type gland we can using in armor cone and armor ring, but non-armor we cannot using in this one. So non-armor gland inside have not these 2 items. Okay, and what tools and materials need for the cable gland work? Cable gland, if you going to cable gland, what tools and materials you need? Okay, so this is the important of you. Your supervisor and your engineer is tell go there and start to your gland work, but what tools and materials you need, you can take from the stores. And so this is the important for you. Before going to work in gland, first you need to tools and materials. Tools, you need electrical knife, screwdriver, okay, and hammer, pipe wrench, spanner for tightening purpose, and monkey plier tools. These tools are you need. Materials, you need gland, okay, you need to gland, and you need to PVC tape also. You need to cable tie for dressing the cable, straight the cable, and you need to shroud, gland shroud, set of the gland, you need this one. And you need first, you need to drawing. Without drawing, you can go there, check the cable number and which panel is going inside. First you check the match the cable number and panel number. After correct, you can start the gland. No correct, no starting. Okay, so this is the these tools and materials you need for first. Prepare the tools and materials, and you go and start to work. Okay, how to start the cable gland in panel, right step by step. So suppose today your supervisor and your engineer is told to you, go to panel number 3 or 4, and there have the 4 or 5 cable. You check the cable and start to gland there. So you take tools and materials, gland everything. You can check the cable sizes, and as per cable size you can take the gland. Okay, so before start the gland, you can check step by step, and then after you do the gland. Because if you have by mistake one panel, suppose panel number 1 cable is, you can glanding in panel number 2. This is big problem, big issue for you, because this cable is after short this very long distance to coming. This is coming very far. Maybe one cable is around 100 meter to above, or 200 meter, 300 meter, same like that, somewhere very far in electrical room. So if you have short cable, after this all cable is removed, this means very problem for you, because this is very costly cable. So this cost also problem. And another thing, your manpower also, already so many struggle is there, and so many pulling manpower need. So any work, any electrical work is that types of work. Any work, first you think about the work, and then after start the work. Don't think in other thing. Your mind is going to work. But especially in glanding time and termination time, you should be clear. Your focus is only for your work. So glanding time, suppose you go to one panel and start to glanding. So what you first check there. So I will write step by step, and this is first step and this is second step. So first step, first check the cable number is drawing. This is the correct number going to same panel or not. So you have the drawing schedule, panel schedule or drawing. You can check the drawing. This is the correct number going to this panel or not. If correct, okay, first one is okay. And make the cable up to the panel breakers where is going to cable termination. So you can open the panel. If this is correct, okay, you can open the panel and check the cable is correct length or maybe short. You can first check this one, and then after you start to gland. First you check the cable number. Second one, you check the cable length. This is correct length for there or not. If short, you can inform to your supervisor or engineer. Very long, no problem. You cut, and whatever you need, you use this one, and another one is you make the roll of cable and put one side. Okay, but short, you should be informed to your supervisor and engineer. Number third, always measuring cable from the cable tray ending part of up to the panel plate. Okay, so always you can measure the cable. Your cable is coming from your cable tray root. So cable tray end place, end end area to inside panel. So if your cable tray is in there, after there have the some panels or some equipment is there, so you can need to gland. So you can check the cable in this end of the cable tray and make the full round 90 of the cable and check there this is correct or not. Number 4, measure the cable up to the panel plate where to enter the cable inside the panel for termination and marking. So you can measure the cable. You make the full 90 and measure the cable up to panel plate. There have the panel plate, gland plate have there. So you measure the cable up to gland. Okay, and then after marking there, marking and leave marking. And next one, remove the cable outside insulation and armor which going to panel inside for termination and make the gland. So you complete marking up to panel plates. Then after there have the marking there. So remove the insulation, outside insulation of cable, which cable is going to inside for the termination up to breaker, panel breaker. Okay, so you can remove this one and put this one. Before you start gland, first put the cable gland shroud. So if you starting the gland, first you put the gland shroud. This is PVC type. Already I am showing our diagram, our picture. So first you fix the gland shroud. Okay, shroud. First you put inside cable inside, fix the gland shroud, and then after you put the compressor nut, gland shroud after compressor nut, and then after you can compressor nut after you can put main gland body, compressor nut after you can put in main gland body, and then after you can put armor ring and armor cone properly. Armor ring and armor cone is properly inside the armor and tied there. So armor cone, armor ring and armor cone, okay, you can put inside this one. So armor cone, you can check the armor ring is one side little bit thick or one side little bit small. So this size is one armor cone have two parts. One part is big size and another part is small size. Small. So big size always you put the inside the cable side, compressor nut side, cable body side big, and cone side small. Okay, you can fix like that. If you not fix like that, after gland tight time, not properly tight, not tightening. Okay, put the cable properly, put the cable entry body and tied with spanner or pipe wrench together to strong. So then after, if you put this cone everything and you put the cable entry body and tie it with spanners, and this is the ready for the gland. And after you can take the gland and put the inside the panel in slowly, not doing in fast, because there have the one hole is there, gland hole is there. So if there have one hole, so if you make the quick, your cable insulation may be damaged, your conductor cable insulation is damaged. So be careful this one. Okay, so slowly you can put inside the panel. Okay, so this is the system of the panel. Before glanding in panel inside, check properly like that, step by step you can check first. So I will tell you, this is most important for you. Okay, this is the very important for you. If you have the any mistake, this cable changing time big issue, you have the big issue. So first properly checking, be careful about your work, and then after you can do. Okay, and this 6 or 7 step is this one, so properly checking in this one. Okay, so doing that. And now how to enter the, here have the gland, double compressor gland. You see there is the give the parts of shroud and compressor knot, after cable, after main body, and armor cone and armor ring, armor cone and armor ring, and after cable entry body. So this is the system. First you put the cable inside shroud. Second one, compressor knot or main body. Third one, you can put the armor cone, armor ring, and after armor cone and entry cable entry body. So you see this is you put inside like that. So there have the armor, you cutting the armor and put inside like that. Okay, this is the your diagram how to put the cable parts, gland parts inside the cable. First priority you put the shroud. Second, compressor knot. Third one, main body gland. Fourth one, armor ring, and fifth one, armor cone, and last one, entry body. You can put the entry body. Okay, so put like that. And your earthing tag is coming inside the panel plate. Panel plate is two part, outside and inside. Outside only coming in IP washer. So in gland panel plate, and panel plate upside or downside anywhere. Some gland you can using in gland in downside to panel, and some place you can using in upside to enter the cable anywhere. But first everything is in enter time. You can check this one. Your check knot and earthing tag is inside of the your panel plate coming, and IP washer is outside of the panel plate. Outside of panel plate is coming. IP washer is save the save the gland for not going the water in inside and anywhere, any purpose to save this one. So water purpose and any dust purpose to save this one. This is not going the inside the panel. So this is using for IP washer. So some interviews, maximum interview is asked like that, where is fixing the IP washer in glanding time. So you can tell the IP washer is fixing in outside of the equipment or panel plate, outside of the panel plate. And earth tag and check nut is going to inside of the panel. Check nut is tight propose. Okay, tight propose. So next one is, so gland, we are talking all about the gland. So gland, as per cable sizes, your gland size also same like that. Okay, so gland our cable size is 1.5 mm square to 1000 mm square. So all cable require the gland. So this different sizes cable, different sizes gland is unit. Especially in power cable, I told 4 core is inside there. 1 core, 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. Power cable, and control cable is coming 48 cores. So this is the separate this one. So here I am make the chart of this one. You can check the chart this gland. So gland is 1.5 mm square to we have the 1000 mm square, up to 1000 mm square cable. So 1.5 is, so this cable are 1 core, 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. Okay, and 5 core to coming control cable, but power cable up to 4 core. So I have make the diagram also, power cable, control cable also. So which size of this is 1 core. So 1 core cable 35 mm square, up to 35 mm square no have the 1 core cable. Okay, before we are discussing about this one and talking about it in our cable chapter. 52 have the 1 core. So this 2.5 20 mm 2.5 mm square 2 core cable 20 mm gland need, and 3 core 20 mm also, 4 core 20 mm also. Okay, so this is the gland chart. You can check the gland chart and make the clear of this one. If your cable is 185 mm square, your gland need to, if this is single core, you need to 32 m gland, and if 2 core 50 mm, 3 core 50 mm, and 4 core 63 mm. And if your cable is 100 mm square, 1000 mm square, so you need to cable gland is 63, so 1000 only 500 to above only single core cable is coming, not coming in 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. Okay, 500 to only single core is coming there. Okay, so this is the diagram of the gland. So gland, how to measure the gland? Gland measure only gland inside dimension measured, not outside. Outside have gland is big, but inside gland have one hole, so you can measure the only whole dimension, how many dimensions. So this is the gland size. Outside no dimension, outside is separate, outside only for this one. So inside there have one gland, inside have the cable entry hole, so you can check the hole, how many size is this one, how many mm, you can check this one and find out which size is gland is this one. Okay, so you can do the check this one and do this one. So you check the list of this cable sizes and gland sizes, which cable sizes gland, which cable size need for which size gland. We have the chart of this one, so you can check and do like that. Okay, so in gland chapter we are talking about the glands, types of glands. Glands is made by PVC and metal. This is two types of metal. PVC only using for flexible wires. This is completed. This PVC is only using for flexible wire, and metal is coming two types, armor and non-armor gland. Same like that, cable is armor and non-armor also. So if armor cable you can using in armor gland, and non-armor cable you can using in non-armor gland. Gland are coming in two colors code, brass color code and steel color code or aluminum color code. Okay, so this is coming in two color code. Okay, so how to gland parts, inside parts, how many parts inside the gland, we are talking about this one. And gland working time, what if you want to work inside the pineal glanding, you go to work the inside the pineal glanding, what is the step, what you check in before glanding, step by step. So this is the 8 or 9 step I will explain to this one. So step by step, and then after according to the cable sizes, you can need to different type sizes of gland. There have the list. I will give you to list and check the list and clear about this one. So I hope all of you are watching this video and clear about this one. If you have any doubting, please comments. I will give to more clear for you. Okay, all my students, all the best. Okay, thank you.